The battery is located in the trunk. Unhook the negative terminal of the battery. Use a 10mm hex socket to loosen the clamp. Wiggle the terminal loose.
The throttle module is right here, right underneath the pipe right here on the bottom. So what you need to do is take out your hose. I think these are two 25s, one here, one there.
Unclamp the wire shown.
Just rotate it and it pops right out. Next, what you can do is put some paper towels, stuff it inside those hoses so that no debris gets inside. So I put in the paper towel over here and over there. Next, I'm going to take out these 5 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're 8mm. Next, all you want to do is pop this out. Be careful, the clips might come out. So pop this out and just pull it back. And it just pops right out.
Remove the air filter box. There are 3 bolts.
Pull it to the side. Disconnect the clip. Sometimes these clips are a little finicky, so I'm just gonna use the plier to slightly. That should be enough.
If you haven't worked on your vehicle for a while, you'll notice that all the clips are a little difficult to pull out.
There's a clamp.
You'll definitely have to use pliers to press on the clips. Don't use too much force or you may break them.
This is just there you go. Now you can actually move the harness a little bit out of the way. It gives you a little bit more free space to actually jiggle this around a bit. So I'm gonna There we go. And then you just want to rotate it and put the air box, your air filter box on the top. If you haven't done so already, remove the zip tie, unclip the zip tie. There's a zip tie here also. You're going to have to remove the electrical cable and the one for the fan right there. These are the bolts, one right here and another one on the right side. Those are the bolts for the fan. That's going to have to come out. You also want to unclip the coolant hose just on top like that. Unclip that. And there's, I think, another, probably a zip tie on the bottom, I'm not sure, or it might be just a clip. Again, the pliers, I'm going to just use a little bit for a little leverage on the clips. Do not put a lot of force on the pliers, or else you might actually break the clip. Another zip tie. So once that's done, this electrical line should be able to fall right out. Let me see if it comes. See if it's in the shot. Again, right here is a clip for the fan. I just want to jiggle it out. At this point, what you want to do is move your pipe and just bend your pipe and then just move it to the side. Don't worry about, you know, breaking the pipe. These pipes are, these hoses are meant to bend. So just move it to the side. These are going to be 10 mil. Again. At this point, you can actually remove the coolant line, unclip it on the top of the fan. Another bolts right here.
You need to move the hose to give clearance for the fan to come out.
At this point, you can actually just be careful of the wires on the left and make sure you're not hooked to anything. Just lift the fan up and you should be able to take it right out, straight out. again, you need to move this pipe out of the way. Yeah, that hose right there is actually a real bitch to take out right here. And that's like stuck on.
I'm using a long flat head to unscrew the clamp of the pipe.
So if you look to this side right here, look inside, see where it is. There's the ETM. As you can see, there's 4 bolts. The last bolt is going to be right here. You see where this line is? Right there. That's where the first bolt is. Let me see if you can get it. So the bolt, you see where this line is? The bolt is going to be right there. Where that indentation is, where it comes out, that's where the first bolt is going to be. That's kind of hard to get to. Best way to get to it is go under. Now right where I showed you where the bolt is, just move it right there. You see where my right angle. You see how none of it's bolted except the one in the very inside. That's because that's the easiest to get to, because you can see it from the top. You know what? My throttle body doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too gunked up. It's actually pretty clean. Do not get any on the electronics.
Using your fingers or mechanical force to open the throttle body may damage the sensor. You may have to reset the throttle body so I decided not to force it open.
Using
However, you want to clean the carbon deposits between the gaps of the opening. If you don't, the throttle body may work sluggishly during normal operation.
Now it's starting to come out.
Use the throttle body cleaner to clean the gaps. Also, don't use abrasives on the sides where the contacts need to be flush. The best method is to just use the cleaner and non-abrasive rag to clean the carbon deposits.